everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Vintage Vegan here. If you want to see an unboxing video of Bellami hair extensions, then just keep watching. So this is the box that I received in the mail. I'm not going to show you the front because it obviously has my address on it. But anyways, this is the box that I received. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. I'm super excited. I've ordered from Bellami before and I've gotten hair extensions and I've liked them. But this time I decided to get a different color because I obviously have a different color. And, and I also ordered the real human hair ponytail as well. So super excited. I don't know necessarily if it's gonna match my hair just because like my roots are coming in and it's like not really toned or anything. So I might have to go ahead and get my hair done again. Alrighty, so I opened it up and this is what it looks like. I actually think this might match my hair. Like, yeah, definitely does. I'm so excited to put these in. So it just says Bellami hair and this is the style Bellami Piccolina, 120 grams, and this is 18 inches. So I'm gonna actually like put these in for you. Honestly, my hair is like really messy right now, hence like why it's in a bun. But I just wanted to share like this with you guys, just in case you're looking for hair extensions. And then we also have this box, and I think that, yeah, this is it's a wrap ponytail, 16 inches. I just honestly need a ponytail for when I'm just feeling lazy and not feeling like, you know, getting ready and stuff, so. Ooh, I like the packaging. Super cute. So it has directions on the back on how to apply the ponytail. This is gonna be so helpful and it's just gonna complete the look, because like days like this when I have my hair like this, actually like I do kind of like this like messy look. Like with the hoops, I've been obsessing with hoops lately. Hoops are absolutely like just like pull together a look and just make everything look so fire. So this is what you get when you open it up. This is absolutely like so cute. Like I love this. I don't even know if it matches. Like, yes, maybe like a little bit brighter, but that's only because I'm like putting it right here. But like if I put it down here and blend it in, oh, this is gonna be so cute. I love this already. Like it looks weird because it's like in the packaging, but like imagine that like on top of my head, guys. Like, and I just love how it comes like with this little black bow right here. Like it just gives me the idea to like put a little ribbon in my hair when I put up my ponytail. Like I love it. So I actually need to grab some bobby pins because I came unprepared today, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I am back. This is what the low ponytail looks like, and like honestly, like this is so cute. And for the first time ever, it's not gonna be like the best because like I literally am just like winging this right now just so I can make this video because I just want to like get this and get it done with. But anyways, you get the picture on what it's supposed to look like. This is like a bit messy right here. It's like falling out. But I really like this and I feel like it's going to come in handy, and especially like for photo shoots, it's like a quick fix if you don't want to do your hair, like fully curl it or whatever. And then just like an extra bonus, like you can literally just braid your extensions and make it look extra cute. You can do like a fishtail, you can do like a French braid. I don't know how to French braid, but yeah, this is just amazing. And my dog's barking, going crazy again. I feel like every time I film, he just barks. It's the weirdest thing. So I'm gonna take this out. I really want to see what it looks like up. So I think I'm gonna do that right now. So I went ahead and gathered my hair up. Honestly, like, I don't like this look, that's why I don't really do it often. But I'm just putting it into a high ponytail, trying to keep it as tight as possible without giving yourself a headache. I feel like right here is like bumpy, but honestly, Does it look like I care? No. Okay, so this is the best we're gonna do. I don't like ponytails because like I have layers, so like this side is just so much shorter than this side, and it's just like stiff and like gross, to be honest. So I'm just gonna brush this out because I kind of like ruined it in the matter of like a minute. So I could even put my ponytail higher. Actually, I don't know if I actually could. So, oh my god, I'm super excited. Like, I feel like I'm gonna be like Ariana Grande. And by the way, I totally have purple still in my hair, but I actually like the look. Alright, I'm like struggling here. Oh my. I feel like a whole like new person. I feel like a celebrity. I love this ponytail. It's like a lifesaver. And I just got it. Like, imagine. Oh. And it is brighter than my actual hair. And it looks like a lot brighter than like right here. Because this is like all root. So it's not going to match. But it honestly like doesn't look like it's like fake. Because it like does match the actual like blonde parts in my hair. I need to get more bobby pins from the dollar store. I literally only have like 2 left. So we're gonna work with these 2 bobby pins. Alright, I'm not the best, but I really like this so much. Like, this is a whole new look. I really could raise this a little bit higher because I feel like the angle on my head is like a little weird, but I feel like a whole new person and I really like this look. So I feel like a celebrity. Like, I can't get over this. Like, I've never had a long, luxurious ponytail ever. And like, when I tried to do it with the hair extensions, it was just like a pain, and it was like a whole process because you gotta put all of the clips upside down. Like, you gotta, like, all the individual rows of clips you gotta put upside down, and then like the clips, like, it's just, it doesn't work out. So I ended up getting both, and I really, really like this ponytail. So I'm gonna be wearing this like every day in every photo. Go get yourself a ponytail. Okay, now that I just took a million selfies with this new hairstyle, I think it's time to take it off. This is what happens when I take my hair out of my elastic. Like, is this relatable? Or is it just me? I don't know. But it needs to go. My hair smells like dry shampoo because it's like all I use. Alrighty. So my hair is like not even done. Like, this is like brushed out waves. So like my hair is wavier than this. So I'm gonna open this, the hair extensions. So there's just like a little button thing that you can undo. Oh, like, what is this? Is this an extra? I don't know. Tester. Oh, it's a tester. That's actually a good idea. Like, so if it doesn't match your hair, you don't have to like take, because there's a thing that says warranty void if removed from both of the things, as well as the ponytail. So this is a little tester. Yeah, it pretty much matches my hair, so that's a plus. I was like scared it wasn't, because like I hate ordering like hair extensions online. But like when I went to Sally's, they didn't have any of the colors. They had like a platinum blonde, but it was like really, really yellow. So I don't know. This seems to match pretty well in my eyes. Maybe I'm colorblind. Who knows? Okay, so I'm just unraveling all of these. And I'm going to brush it out. You guys know how to put hair extensions in, I'm pretty sure. So I'm just gonna snap my fingers and I'm gonna have them all in. I'm not gonna like put any like waves or like heat to my hair because I hate putting heat to my hair. So I'm just gonna snap my fingers and you're gonna see the results. Ta-da! So The hair extensions are like a tad lighter than my actual hair, just because like they're like more toned, and I've washed my hair like a million times. But honestly, like if you really look, like it kind of looks like it blends in. Like my hair is more of like a silvery tone, and like right here obviously like it's different just because like the purple picked up way more over here. I don't know why it's still there, but anyways, so I can easily blend this in. I can just put my hair in a ponytail and just like gather hair right here, and then I could do like a braid like I mentioned earlier, like with the ponytail, or I could just like curl it and kind of blend it in more. I could wave it. I wouldn't necessarily wear it straight, especially now like that I haven't gotten my hair done yet, but it's definitely cute and wearable. My hair is just like not done right now. Like I will put heat to it, but I try not to. But if I need to, then yeah. I really like this. Like it's super, super long. If I want to cut it, I definitely could. But yeah, like the color is like not that much different than my actual hair. It's just a bit more brighter. And I've been like parting my hair in the middle lately. It's been like super cute. So definitely gonna try out different looks with these hair extensions, and especially like the ponytail. I can't wait to like just be lazy and literally just put a ponytail in and become a celebrity in like the matter of 2 seconds. Like, why wouldn't you want to do that? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did and you found it helpful, please don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my upcoming content. And also don't forget to follow all of my social media. Everything will be linked down below as usual. And I will see you guys in my next lovely video.